Kaya mga kuya at ate ko, please, 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 I'm appealing to everybody.
NGO TV Network. CC Baby Vlogs.
Magandang morning mga kuya, mga ate, mga bunso, friends, colleagues, and friends of Eagles. Currently, we are on the office of our National President, Kuya Ronald De Los Santos. For this ambush interview, he will give us a brief update with regards current situation of our fraternal organization. So, and what is now the plan with the incoming National Assembly by June. Mga kuya and ate, ladies and gentlemen, our National President, Kuya Ronald De Los Santos.
Magandang umaga lahat mga kuya at ate. Good morning sa inyong lahat. So far, ang ating organization is going strong and tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagbisita sa lahat ng mga regional Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao at ating tinitingnan kung ano yung ikakabuti ng ating the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. And the other day, galing po tayo sa Baler at dumiretso po tayo ng Olongapo. Then by tomorrow, papunta po tayo. Alam naman natin, mga kuya at ate, na ang ating organization is international na rin also. At pupunta tayo sa Japan para po ma-induct din natin ang ating mga kuya at ate, and they are now planning to create regions also in Japan. And of course, sa ating organization sa ngayon, continuous yung ating pag-verify yung mga kuya at ate natin na medyo nanamlay at sa ating organization at nagpakandak po tayo ng inspection sa lahat, buong Visayas, Mindanao. We conducted the inspection and we have the Inspector General para po malaman natin anong problema ng mga kuya at ate natin. Para sa ganon, ma-resolve lahat. At gusto kong ipaalam sa mga kuya at ate natin na tayo ngayon dito sa The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, under my administration, gusto ko magkaisa tayo mga kuya at ate sa ating goal na humanitarian services through our guiding principle, service through strong brotherhood. Kasi mga kuya at ate, malaki po ang mission natin. Malaki ang nakaatang sa ating bansa na misyon, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Alam naman natin anong problema ng bansa natin. At we have to focus on that. Alam ko lahat naman ng mga kuya at ate natin, ng mga agila, ay they are all qualified to help. At sila na mismo ang nagsasabi na kaya sila sumasama dito sa ating organization, sa ating fraternity, because they want to help our country. They want to help the Filipino people. And of course, sa lahat ng officers and members ng ating fraternity, Kuya.
Okay. Very well said, Kuya Ronald. At in your brief report, we will disseminate all this information through NGO TV network. One more thing, Kuya. We know that we are planning for the National Assembly by June. Ano ba po ba ang aasahan ng mga kuya at ate natin dito, Kuya?
Yes, we are inviting all the kuya and ate to attend the 45th founding anniversary ng ating The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Second National Assembly. At dito sa ating assembleya na to, dito natin ipapa-approve yung Constitution and Bylaws. Actually, before Assembly, we have the signing of the Constitution and Bylaws. Kasi this is the right time na lahat ng gagawin natin within our organization, it should be approved by the majority of our members and officers of our organization. That's why we have on June 22 for the signing of the Constitution and Bylaws. Then sa 28, 28, 29, and 30, that will be our National Assembly. At marami po tayong mga activities. I think this will be published after po, kasi mayroon po tayo ngayong meeting, executive committee meeting, to discuss ano po ba yung mga activities natin this coming assembly natin. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon, nagtitipon-tipon ng mga officers natin kasi we need to make the program for that assembly. Para nang sa ganon, kailangan po natin the smooth and in order
Yes.
na assembly natin. Hindi po tayo gagawin natin, this will be very, very important for us kasi obligasyon po natin yan. And also, it's part of our anniversary also kasi June is the month of Eagles. Kaya we are inviting everybody to attend with this very momentous event. And of course, isasabihin ko na rin na we have a lot of things to do right now. Katulad ng ating tree planting, we have tree planting program by this coming July. And that will be simultaneously happen within our country, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And of course, today we have our charity works to be done sa Quezon, Kuya.
Yun.
Nagpadala na tayo ngayon ng more than 3,000 packs relief para po doon sa Quezon. Yung mga nasalanta nating mga kapatid doon. And of course, again, yung Constitution and Bylaws natin, talagang ngayong katapusan ng May, that will be the finalization, and June 22, that will be the signing of this Constitution and Bylaws. Of course, our program, meron tayong yung Agila Basketball League, ongoing na po yan,
Yes.
and the Mr. and Miss, ongoing na po yan. Yung flagship project po ng Eagles, the first 1,000 days collation program for the children.
Yun.
Ito po yung sinasabi natin na ito yung magiging pag-asa ng ating bayan, ng mga bata na makikreate natin. Tayong mga agila, tayo magpapasimula. Yan sinasabi natin na talagang para sa bagong bansang Pilipinas. Kaya nga, my battle cry right now, lahat ng speeches ko, sinasabi ko, kaya nga yung slogan ko, you are the one. You meanings unity. Sa agila, magsisimula ang tunay na pagkakaisa. Tayo yung ehemplo para sa pagkakaisa. R meaning respect. Dito rin sa Agila magsisimula kuya yung respeto. Tayo yung magiging ehemplo ng respeto. Of course, yung disiplina.
Yes, kuya.
Di ba kuya? Ito, dito tayo sa Agila. Pag tayo mga Agila naging ehemplo sa lahat ng bagay na yan, meron pa bang pwedeng sasabihin natin ang ating misyon hindi natin ma-accomplish? Di po ba? Kaya mga kuya at ate ko, please, 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 I'm appealing to everybody. We need to unite again. We need to unite. Yan po ang kailangan natin gawin for one mission, for one eagle, for one brotherhood, the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
Very well said, Kuya Ronald. Napakarami mong informative na nasabi na with this interview. Napaka-inspiring ng iyong mga plans. At nandito lang po kami para sumuporta sa inyo. Nandito rin ang grupo ng NGO TV para sumuporta for the kung ano man po ang mabibigay naming assistance in terms of media and in terms of information dissemination within our fraternal organization. Ngayon, Kuya, alam ko napakarami at napaka-busy mo. Lalo na ngayon, meron tayong conference within your national officers for the incoming National Assembly in June 28, 29, and 30. Is there anything more that you wanted to add with a message to our kuya and ate out there, Kuya?
Ako'y umaapila at humihingi at inaanyayahan lahat ng mga kuya at ate natin under the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated na tayo mga kuya at ate, tayo po ay pumunta dito sa opisina natin. Makita ninyo ang ating opisina na you can see how our office operate. Ano po ba yung expect nyo dito? Dito nyo rin po malalaman. I'm inviting you everybody to come and visit our office. At kung may mga katanungan kayo, mamaya ibibigay ng ating Kuya Arnel lahat ng information for us to contact, especially the membership, of course, paano kayo magbayad, how to process the documentations. Kasi before, alam naman natin kung paano yun. But now, just visit our office and you can find the beauty of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
So lang naman na i-inform ng ating National President that the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles National Office is well organized in his leadership. So, maraming salamat, Kuya Ronald.
Thank you po,
Sa
Kuya.
pagpapaunlak mo sa amin, in this brief interview. Alam kong napaka-busy mo. At Kuya, if there's something that you wanted to disseminate, just call NGO TV, Kuya. Just call me, just call Usapang Agila, and we will hear right away, Kuya.
Yes,
for
Kuya.
for your interview.
Thank you so much, Kuya, sa NGO TV at sa Talakayang Agila. Tama po ba?
Usapang
Agila, of
Agila.
course. Ang ating Kuya Arnel, na siya naman talaga yung isa kasama natin ever since na tayo nasa Mahagap Ka, talagang partner ko na to. At talagang tumutulong sa ating organization. And yun lang po, nananawagan lang ako sa bawat mga kuya at ate natin na please, pumunta kayo and ang laban na to ay para sa bayan, para sa tao na nangangailangan ng tulong natin. And most especially, all we have done, all what we are doing are all dedicated to the God. Di po ba? Kaya mga kuya at ate ko, come and join us for One Eagle, One Mission. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Mabuhay. Thank you, Kuya Ronald. At of course, I just wanted to add na yung program ni Kuya Ronald ngayon, yung immediate activities ng the Fraternal Order of Eagles is for the humanitarian assistance for the victims of Typhoon Aghon.
Yeah.
No, Kuya Ronald. And if I understand, nagpadala na ng
Yes po.
ng tulong ang
Kahapon, niripak
office.
po dito, niripak
Yes,
dito, then dinala na po sa...
Pasensya ka na Kuya Ronald kasi medyo na-late ang NGO TV. Actually, ini-invite
Yes.
kami kahapon para doon sa repacking.
Yes.
Kaya lang, watak-watak kami kahapon, Kuya. So, ang NGO TV is a simple online platform pero hindi pa kami fully equipped.
Yes.
Pero for the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Kuya Ronald, priority namin.
Thank you so
Because
much,
ang
Kuya.
NGO TV, the main platform of NGO is for the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles.
Thank you, Kuya. Hayaan mo, we will work together, Kuya.
Yes,
we will
Kuya.
work together.
And,
Hand in hand.
Thank you very much for the support, Kuya.
Thank you,
Ang
Kuya.
supportan mo rin doon sa NGO TV. Maraming
Thank you,
salamat,
Kuya. Salamat.
At, sana po, Kuya, doon sa ating incoming National Assembly in June 28, 29, 30, NGO TV will be
Yes,
the
of
one
course.
of the
Of course. Kasama kayo doon,
media
Kuya.
platform, Kuya.
Kasama kayo doon, Kuya. Kasama kayo. You will be part of that program. Alam niyo naman, lahat ng mga kuya at ate natin na lalo na nandyan sa media coverage, talagang we are all inviting all the media. No? Kasi what we want now is to introduce our organization na hindi lang ito yung namimigay na just like
Yes.
yung Band-Aid solution. We are doing right now is the sustainable and continuous project at maaalala ng mga tao habang buhay tayo.
Yun. With that, Kuya, very well said, and thank you very much.
Thank
Kuya.
you.
Mabuhay
Thank you.
ka.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mabuhay ang Agila.
Thank you so much, Kuya. Mabuhay.